In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store theme quickly and efficiently. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to refresh your store's look, updating your theme can make a big difference in how customers experience your brand. So let's dive right in and transform your store in just a few steps. First, you'll want to start by going to your Shopify dashboard. If you're logged in, you'll typically land on the home page of your store. This is your control hub, the place where all your store's magic happens. From here, we'll navigate to the next step. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand panel and click on Online Store. This is located in the navigation menu and is your gateway to all things design in your Shopify store. Here, you can manage everything from your website's appearance to your sales channels. Once you're in the Online Store section, you'll see a subsection called Themes. This is where the aesthetic transformation of your store begins. Look for a button or link that says Design Your Store in Seconds, and give that a click. It's a handy feature in Shopify that simplifies the design process, making it accessible even if you're not a tech wizard. As you click through, you'll be presented with a variety of themes to choose from. For this tutorial, we will focus on popular free themes. These are pre-designed templates that Shopify offers at no charge. They're a great starting point because they're user-friendly and are designed to look professional without extensive customization. Hover over these themes to preview and see how each one could look on your store. If the free themes don't quite match your vision, you have another option. Click on Visit Theme Store. This will take you to the Shopify Theme Store, a treasure trove of designs both free and paid. It's worth exploring because sometimes investing in a premium theme can pay off in a unique, tailored design that makes your store stand out from the crowd. Choosing the right theme is crucial because it defines the customer's first impression of your store. Consider elements like color schemes, font styles, and layout organization in line with your brand's identity. Also, remember that a good theme should be mobile responsive since more customers are browsing from their devices. Once you've picked the perfect theme, you can click to apply it. The new design will be ready for any further customizations you might want to make, such as adding your logo, tweaking colors, or inserting any special features that align with your brand's aesthetics and goals. And there you have it. Your Shopify store has a fresh look and feel, ready to attract and engage your customers. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any more questions or need additional tips, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.